Hi there, this is Chelsea from Enterprise. Welcome to today's episode on module settings required for delivery planning. In this session, we will cover how to assign van delivery users and automate orders and deliveries. So let's get you started. Click into Settings, Module Settings, scroll down to Delivery Module Settings. So this is where you can set the options you require for the delivery mobile application. You can select from here to show only open sales orders and or deliveries in the app. You can then select to hide price lists in the mobile app. Moving down to warehouse, this is where you can select the virtual warehouse, which means that goods are being shipped directly to your customers. When this is ticked, you can select the default employee for the delivery planner. If this is unticked, you want to set up van drivers to be used as warehouse for delivery. Moving down here, you can also select the warehouse to write off your stocks on the delivery mobile app. Next on, simply click into Assign Van Delivery Users to assign each of your van drivers to a warehouse for the goods to be delivered. Once in this setting, simply select the warehouse beside the user. Next, you can automatically schedule sales order or deliveries in the planner on Enterprise. Once in the setting, simply select the document type, select the business partner or customer, and then set the time each day to deliver to the customer. So when a transaction is created, a preset time is applied to the transaction and entered against the user at that time for that day. Just to note that the default employee is only relevant when you have selected to use virtual warehouse. Now once you are set up for delivery, click on Save. For further help, check out our help center at help.enterprise.com or use our support chat to talk to a representative, and where you will also get links to Help Center. Thank you for watching.